In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Airalo promo codes in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser, then go to google.com and here at the search box enter Airalo promo code and then hit on search. It moves you to that web page where you can find a lot of different websites that contain promo codes. And just go to any of them. Here, as you can see, I got a lot of different promo codes. You can scroll down to see them all, but the best offers are usually at the first position. There I got coupon that marked as top pick and it gives you 30% off. Now you can hit on get this code and here you can tap at copy code to copy it to your clipboard, and now you can move to Airalo.com to buy their stuff, and once you are ready to pay money, just don't forget to enter your promo code and double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back on that site or on another site and try to use another promo code from that list. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.